excited. Wait, are you
created the mess.
Yes.
Welcome back!
So guys, last video, if you guys remember, if you guys didn't see it, go check it out. We had said if we should do our daughter's bedroom or do the bathroom. And we decided on our own that we did not want to do the bathroom. We wanted to give ourselves a break from doing the bathroom for a little bit. So we are going to be doing my baby girl's room. Are you excited?
Yep.
Whoa, what kind of things?
So what are you looking forward to?
Kind of an under the sea room, like sea turtles.
Yeah.
Sea turtle
She's
concept.
obsessed with sea turtles. She was obsessed with pineapples. Now it's a sea turtle thing. And I had another design in mind, but I want to give my daughter what she wants because I want her to love her room. She's 9 years old. And yeah. Are you excited, Mama? Well, you're not 9 yet.
Almost.
You're almost 9.
Almost
Let
9.
me not make you 9 yet. She's 8 years old and she has this whole idea in her mind, right, baby? So are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
She has never been this quiet before. But anyway, are you ready?
Yeah!
You're ready! Let's get moving.
Go ahead, babe, so I can fit.
Just wait.
No, I said, did you see? I can move my butt. This is how we move everything.
She ready to back me into another wall in the other room.
Are you ready? Wait, are you ready? Tell me when. Just move it to the side so that I can do it.
Ready.
I know that you guys make fun of me for that, but it's the best thing, right? You hear that?
Oh, we got some.
You hear that? You should have recorded that.
I did.
Seriously.
Yeah, seriously. These are all your shoes?
Technically, that I have all these shoes.
Yeah. Girl, look at all these shoes you got underneath the bed.
How many pairs do you have?
Tell them how many pairs of shoes you got. Tell them how many pairs of shoes you got, girl.
Probably 30 or more.
30 or more.
30 or more. I think it's more.
More, like 50. You like your mom.
So what? Girls cannot have too many pairs of shoes, right, Giuliana? I'm teaching my baby.
This girl's got rollerblades.
She got everything.
Mommy.
Beautiful.
All right, guys, I got everything out here. So I'm bringing you guys in to see what is on the walls here. We have paneling. Of course, we were in an attic, and this is what they put up. And as in every attic, it has to come down when you're trying to do something new. So this is what we're going to be doing. Look at this trim. Yeah, nobody wants that right there. See that?
Also, the ground is a hot mess.
Yes.
The carpet, I'm sorry.
The carpet is pretty bad, very, very bad. We're not going to be reusing that, obviously. And we're going to be putting down new flooring. But the floors, as you walk in them, they creak. So we're going to have to address that too. Ready, hon? She's eating.
I'm eating plátano.
Platinum. All right. You got anything for me?
Yes, once you're done.
All right. What? Once I'm done? Okay, whatever. Let's watch this, folks. Let me see what she got. All right, here we go. Here we go.
Really?
Ah, here's good me. All right.
It's okay, I'm eating yours. Jeez, Greg, you're throwing out all her Christmas presents.
You said that was
No,
garbage.
that needs to get thrown out. I already used the whole thing.
Okay, whatever.
Is this garbage? Letter
No. No. It's a G, Greg, for my
We can
name.
throw it away.
G? You're never gonna use it.
She had it when she was a baby.
It was good when you were little, but good.
Yeah, when I had it when I was little.
Gee whiz.
G for God.
Well. How about your pineapple?
No, that's new. That's for a tablet, which we can't find. Where's your tablet?
Garbage.
Mama's.
Okay. And
No,
then,
it's
of
out
course,
here. It's in here. It's in Javen's room.
you have your pineapple.
You want to see your pineapple?
I'm sure. Just...
Are we keeping on the Be Strong in the Armor of God?
Yes.
Okay, and we're good. This is it.
I love that thing.
Okay.
Now it's time for demo that crap out of the wall because I can't stand it. I couldn't stand it from the time I seen it. I don't know why it's there and I don't know why they put that there, but I'm so happy you're getting rid of it.
Now it's time to break it down. Let's do it. Let's break it down.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Wow, baby, you're using glasses.
Wow.
Jeez. They put paneling behind nothing. I'm scared what's gonna happen here. Yep. It's a box, but there's no wiring in it.
There's no wiring in it?
No.
So why the heck did they put it there?
Probably was wiring there at one time. Alright guys, so I got all the paneling off, and so some of the walls look better than others. This one here has got a 3/8 little particle board. Replace it with some sheetrock, gonna get that done. This wall here has an empty electrical box, and I'm just gonna put a cap on that and be done with it. This here, I've got to do some kind of carpentry here. We have a 3/4 inch board going all the way to the other side of this wall, to the other side of the other wall there. It's just sitting right on the top, so I have to find some way to just to build this out, make it flush with the sheetrock for the new sheet to come down. Other than that, gotta clean up. Gotta clean up. And now I gotta get this carpet up.
Look at this mess, guys. Look at the hole there.
I can't believe this was my room.
It's almost done. Not the room is not almost done, but
So far it's looking good, but I can't
Look
wait
at
for
this.
the
I don't even know
finished
why
result.
they did this. I don't know why they did this here.
so we're about to figure out once you lift it up.
Oh no. Hopefully another surprise. Okay.
There's a hole there.
This is weird why they put it there, but they did. Alright.
I just wish I never had this big mess. You know, I'm just excited. Well, you
created the mess.
Yes.
Guys, I have to turn your attention to over here. Because do you remember how they insulated remember how they insulated the air conditioner?
Yeah.
Babe,
Socks?
no, napkins.
Napkins. Oh man.
That means this was a cheap place. Napkins, guys. What in the world is going on here? Look at it. Napkins, like.
I don't know what they're trying to insulate with napkins. I don't know. Alright guys, yes, I got all the paneling removed. Woo woo, yeah. Looking pretty good. And you hear that? This is crazy. Oh my god. You see that right there? Yeah, I'm gonna have to put some underlayment down and screw down the boards really good because they neglected to do that. And we have this light that's installed way on the other side at the beginning of the room on this side of the wall. I don't know why they put it there, and we have this huge armoire that's just stuffed in this closet here. We want to get rid of this. Break that up, and I'm gonna make built-in shelving. It's gonna look really nice for her long dresses, her skirts, shoes, all that stuff. Yep, gotta have something for that. And also I wanna upgrade the electrical. See the electrical, all the outlets are really old. I wanna upgrade them all. We're gonna start prep work tomorrow.
Alright, guys, it is finished!
We reached the end of the video. We got this place stripped out right where it needs to be at. and we're gonna be doing some work, putting some work.
Yeah, gotta take care of the walls, the floors,
Electrical,
ceilings. Just do a bunch of stuff in here, and I can't wait to show you guys how we're gonna paint this room.
We're gonna kick some behind.
It's gonna look so good.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
See you next
Bye.
week.